Okay, when will you start your classes? It's already started. So it's pretty understood. Whatever you have done, whatever they are doing it so far, so that will be your syllabus. I mean, it can all be changed, right? So let's figure out those things. Okay, then what is your syllabus? Let's try to chalk out something common, and we can proceed accordingly. Let's see, right? Okay, and another rule is I prefer students to talk a lot. Okay, in English. It's okay to be wrong. Trust me, it's okay to be wrong. Okay, we just 14, 15 out of the year. 14. 14-year kids are not expected to talk really, maybe help a language or something. It's absolutely okay. But talk. If you don't talk, you'll never learn. Yes, you need to try. Okay. So what are you doing in school as of now? Chapter 1. Let's just talk from here. You have your UT book. So, it becomes easier for me also to understand what you guys are doing and what am I supposed to do. It becomes easier for me to understand. Okay, so yes, please. Which one? Which volume? Why I don't? Oh my, because I got the wrong textbook. So I won't have picked up a great time. Okay. Can I share? So which one we have the fun they have? Okay. Is it? But then they hasn't changed. CBSE runs in one way. If I know exactly the cases. Yeah. I have buy exactly I have buy girls. Then was by class you have to return to the shop. And I return that to book. Okay, no problem. How about you? You don't have this in your you have started this. Okay, so Shreya, what we'll do is I'll wait for your comments. Okay. Because we have done first and second. What have you done so far? First lesson is this one? No. Let's which one? How I think my language to be. How I taught my grammar. You don't have that. Okay, so there is something. Figure it out. What else have you done besides this? Okay. Okay. And so you guys have done that also. Okay. How about grammar? No grammar. Descriptive. Oh, that's interesting. Descriptive and writing you just started. You also started descriptive. No. Okay. No problem. So what we'll do is how about this grammar tenses? Not starting yet. They don't teach you reference context. They teach you the strategies, how to identify the answers. And what do you mean? Okay, so I'll teach you the strategies. Okay, that how you have to become very easy to pick up the answers of them. Like just have to read question and do that. So you have they must start with your paragraph writing, article, diary, story writing. Okay. what I was talking about, the verb forms. Grammar, it's grammar. This is something will be there in our exam first. No, it cannot be wrong. Okay? Because this is your base for all the topics which you will be doing it. Like, for example, if your teacher has started with your descriptive writing, you may start with descriptive writing. However, my writing will only work if I know my ABC well. You getting it? So grammar part would be your ABC now. That is your tenses. Okay, so what I'll do is, today I'll start with your tenses. Okay, once we are thorough with our tenses and all these things, then just start. Writing will be a very small thing for us. You know, you just know what exactly happened, how we need to write. It sounds good to you guys. Okay, and then we'll figure out. I think there is some confusion, but I still give you time to figure it out. Okay, you figure it out because it cannot be changed. But I do consider your opinion. Okay, so we'll start with tenses. So okay, so take out one notebook. One notebook will be there throughout the term. Do not change your notebooks. Okay, so make it only for English. Don't share with your math and science. They overshadow English. Okay, let's discuss, let's talk. Okay. How would you define the term tense? Ask me your knowledge. What is a tense? Anyone? Think about it. What are these tenses? We talk about verbs. We talk about, thinking about the present, thinking about the future. We say past. What are these? Are these verbs? Are these modals? What are they? Yeah. What are they? Okay, I agree. One opinion. What else? Think, come on. Try to analyze. Is it a form of a verb? Yes. What is a verb? What's verb? Yes. Very good. Got it? So we are identifying the tense is basically it's a form of verb. Why I say it's a form of verb? Because some days I'm talking it in the present way, some days I'm talking in the past way, and some moments I may talk in the future. So that is the reason we call it. It is a form of verb. Are we clear with this basic? Okay. So let's just write it down in short in your notebook. Don't write it as paragraphs. Okay. So make it very, very short. So it's like form of a verb. What does it show? Shows what? She said it. Exactly. Shows time at which an action happens. Got it? Simple? Okay, so we have time as well as date. So basically, it's a form of a verb, shows time at which an action happened, and it shows time as well as the state. State means not at the state. What state? Exactly. It's simple. Okay. this happened. Okay. And state expressed by the verb. Simple. Till now. Yes. We'll complicate it as we move further. Okay. Try to complicate it. Try to complicate it. Take it. Okay. You need to convert it in Hindi. Okay. Reshma goes to school. What does this mean? Jati hai. Okay. Reshma went to school. Right. School गई है. वो school गई थी. Went to school. गई है. ठीक है. I know. Okay, I'm not very good with that. Okay. And Reshma will go to school. वो जाएगी. Right? जाने वाली है या वो जाएगी. All sorted. Past, present, future clear. Okay. Come to the next one. Goes. Just look over here. Can you all see the screen? Goes, went, will go. So what are these known as? They are all known as verbs. They're known as verbs. I'm pointing out these things because in grade 9 and 10 in both the grades, you'll be having this thing. They will be asking you to mark the verbs, identify the verbs. And if you don't know that these are the verbs, actually go crazy with the grammar. Okay, this will make sure you know it. Okay, so all these are verbs. It basically refers to the present time, or it refers to the future, or it may refer to the past. Clear? Next. Okay, by tense, it says we can correspondence between the form and the concept of time. Correspondence means is it past, is it present, or is it future? Okay, that is what we understand through a tense, that is through a verb. Okay, time and tense are not the same thing. Can you all explain me? Can somebody explain me this? Time and tense are not the same thing. Someone, yes? Think. It's just time and tense are not the same things. What is time and what is tense? How would you explain that? You want to try? It's okay to try. It's okay to be wrong. Yes. Okay, what else? Time, they say, is a universal concept. Okay. And this universal concept means it has three divisions. That is your present, past, and future. That's your time. कि कब हुआ था? Time मतलब कब हुआ था? Not as in the clock. Okay, कब हुआ था मतलब present हुआ था, or it happened in the past, or it will happen in the future. Right? That's your time. And when I say tense is only related to the verb. What she said. You said it, tense is only related to the verb. Are we clear with this? Time and tense? Okay. Okay. The match takes place on Sunday. What does this mean? The match takes place on Sunday. Is it present? Is it past? Is it future? What is it in Hindi? The match, the cricket match takes place on Sunday. Okay. Okay. How? Going to happen. Like you mean somewhere it's related to present. It revolves around present, right? You say related to future. You come on, give me your opinion. Future, present. So over here, look over here. If the verb is in present tense, it will show only the present time, not necessarily. Okay. If you find that the verb is in the present tense, it will always show the present only, not necessarily. Okay, it will not necessarily. However, over here, takes place is in simple present tense, but expresses an action that will place in the future. Got it? So, action verbs you guys understand, right? It's going to happen, something is going to happen. Takes place on Sunday. I'm not using will. Okay. If you say, you'll say, ma'am, if they would have been will, then it would have been the future. Right? Not necessary. Okay. It takes place on Sunday. Okay. So that's also a way of writing. Are we clear with this? Okay, please write it. It's been considered in both the categories. However, the one which you said it is the correct one. Second one. Okay, so over here, please write it down in your notebook. It is not necessary. Some rules, okay? It is not necessary that if the verb is in the present tense, it is not necessary that if the verb is in the present tense, it will show only the present time. Mohan is about, no, don't write it. You mean, Mohan is about to come. What here, the present tense expresses what? Exactly. Similarly, the match takes place on Sunday. That was present, right? But what does it express? Future. Are we clear? Not necessarily. Same point I'm just trying to prove what we just spoke. That, things look in present. Yes, it is in present, but it expresses something else. Okay, that's an action. Are we clear with this? Sorted. Please write down examples under that. Write down these two examples quickly. The match takes place on Sunday. Mohan is about to come. Started. Good. Have you written it? Please write it down in bracket. For Mohan is about to come. The present tense expresses the near future. Because if I ask you, then you should not say we don't. Present tense expresses the near future time. Okay, the sun sets in the west. Is it the universal truth or is it the future thing? What is it? It's a universal truth. Do you think that this universal truth expresses all the three things, present, past, not past, present, future, or something like that? Does it express everything? Yes. So over here you can see this. Modern grammarians, in the sense, modern people, the grammar, the people say there is no future. So they used to always express the future through shall and will. Do we know that? Shall and will. You know that? How do you write it? How, if I have to express, we will go there. So can I, instead of will, can I write something else? Very good. Clear? So this is what these are the modal auxiliaries. Will and shall are the modal auxiliaries. It will come in your exam, be careful. So if you want to write it down. Modal auxiliaries, write down hyphen, shall and will. Modal, this one. Modal auxiliaries, put a dash. Shall proceed. Just read this forms of simple present tense. So if I have to, let's make it simple. You tell me if I have to say okay, so how will I say it in English? She what would be she is very talkative. Okay, something else. She speaks a lot. Okay, what else? She talks a lot. What did you use with this? You use S? Yes. Do you also use ES? Yes. So in simple present tense, what do we use? S or ES. Are we clear with this? If I say he speaks, is it right? You have to tell me what is right, what is wrong. Okay. Let me write everything. You have to tell me what is right, what is wrong. Sorted? Okay. Okay. Naman, what is right out of this? Okay. This is right? Okay. So, Naman says these three are correct. They know your opinion. She knows. Okay. He knows. Which one is correct? You tell me 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me which one are correct. She knows. He knows it's not. Okay. As per you, this is not correct. This is correct. This. Okay. This is correct as per you. Okay. This is not correct. Okay. Simple basic thing, guys. Okay, for those who don't said it just now. You are not supposed to use without S, you can't use he, she, I. Okay. I am not going with your singular, plural, and all that. I don't want to make it very complicated for you, but I just want to make it simple rules for you. Simple rules are he, she, I. He, she. Let's make it simple. He and she has to have S. Okay. He talks, she talks. Okay. If you say this is correct, she, just because it became he, so that means it's wrong. You only said it, she talks is right. So how can you make it he talk is right? Then automatically this is incorrect. Okay, this one, Naman. How can we say that? Am I making sense to you? You have to stick to one situation. Either you stick over here or you stick over here. How can you win both the boats? I mean, how is it making sense to you? Yes? I. With I, what will I write? I talk, or I talks. Come on, guys, quickly. What? When did we ever say that I talks? I talk. Yes. She talks. It's okay. Okay. We how can it talks? We talk. Okay. And they talk. You know what's making you, I understand what's confusing you is you feel if there are many people, so it becomes S. If there are less people, so it becomes without S. I think you're using that logic. Many people do that. No, don't use that logic. Okay, this doesn't work like that, English. Okay, English doesn't work with the number of people. English works with logic. Okay, so we are not supposed to see, let's say we, so many people, make it less, don't use S. I'm making it simple for you. So many people, don't use S. Less people, use S. Make it simple. Yes, not a right rule to say, but I'm just making it simple for you. Okay, we talk, they, so many people, talk, so talk. Oh, very good. I, one person, talk. I, please take it as a separate thing. I talk. Okay, single. They talk. She talks. He talks. Are we clear? Yes, they are already clear. You two are clear? Yes. Okay. Tell me this girl's name. I forgot your name. Aditi. Aditi talks or Aditi talk? Why Aditi talks? Because Aditi is she. Right? Naman talk or Naman talks? Why? Because he is he. Right? And you are Neha. Neha talks or talk? Talks. You, I talk. Awesome. Sorted? Thank you. Basic rule, don't forget it. Okay. Chalo, write it down in your notebook because you usually forget these things. Okay. Write down. The verb, let me not confuse you with verbs and modals. Let me just say word. Simple. First class, simple class. Okay, sing. Okay, you have to write I, we, they, no, Aditi. I'll take some time. Aditi, Neha, Naman. I, we, they, Aditi, Neha, she, he. Write it down quickly. Sings, whatever. Write it down. The sing word is there, so you have to apply. Is it sings or sing? Write it. Even if it is wrong, write it. Last 30 seconds. Okay. Okay, this one is done. Now the second thing. We use simple present tense to even just tell something which is repeatedly happening. Like I go to school. So it's not something I am going to school today. I am doing it every day. It's something which is very common. So that's also simple present tense. Okay, so it need not be something, the present is need not be something which I am doing it in the present. It should not be a very literal thing. Something which always happens. It's repeated. Okay, it's repetitive. So then also I say that's a simple present. Are we clear? I eat breakfast. I do it every day. Nothing special I'm doing. Right? I went to an amusement park. Yes, I went to an amusement park. Nothing unusual. I went. Past. Yeah, sorted. So you can say, see this over here. I take my breakfast every day. We go to school. Present. Sorted? Clear? Okay. We use present continuous tense. So there is another form of present tense that is known as a present continuous tense. What is present continuous? Think. You want to try? At a moment. Something is happening. So if I'm saying Neha, okay, let me say it in Hindi, but yeah. Neha abhi likh rahi hai, right? How will I say it in English? Neha is writing right now. Yes, Neha is writing presently. It's anything, anyway. So writing. If she said write or writing, she used I initially. Are we clear? Sorted this easy. Writing. Okay, so you can say this over here. Girls are okay. When I say, let's talk about this. Is and are. Okay. Girl is playing or girl are playing. Is playing. She is playing or she are playing. Is playing. We are playing or we is playing. We are. Yeah. They are playing or they is playing. Yeah. Okay. This one. Neha. Neha is playing or Neha are playing. Neha is playing. Neha and Aditi are playing or is playing. Why are playing? Why not is playing? So two people. Yes. We are playing or we is playing. Are. Clear? Is an R simple? Yes. I am going or I am go. I am going and going. Okay. So this is what they are talking about. That the girls, if there are a number of girls, it becomes R. If you have S or ES, it becomes R. If it is one, so it is. No need to write. Simple. Okay. I am, because it's just I. So I cannot use is, I cannot use are, I'll use am. I am watching TV. Okay. Then we have present perfect tense. What she said it at that time, if you notice, Aditi was saying, or Sneha was saying someone, you said it, Aditi. Yes. So Aditi was saying that, that it is present perfect tense. You can say that it is a present perfect tense if it is not showing an action verb to you. But a present perfect tense will always have has or have with it. Okay, that's why I didn't say anything at that time. It will always have has or have. He has or he have. He has. She has, she have. She has. They have, they has. They have. Neha have or Neha has. Naman has or Naman have. Has. I have or I have. Here, that's your present simple present perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense. Okay, present perfect continuous tense. All three. Everything. Yes. So this is something. John looks sunburned. He has been working under the sun since morning. ING continuous. Present is there. He is doing something, right? Has perfect. Present perfect continuous tense. Clear? Because we got everything. Yes. Your clothes are very dirty. What have you been doing? Okay. What have you been? ING is your continuous. Have been is your perfect. Past. Have been as is your perfect. And ING is your continuous present. I already knew. Okay. Now write it in your notebook. Make your own sentence. Okay. I give you the hint. What you need to do. Let's make it simple. Simple present tenses. These things. These things. Now you have to make a sentence. No. Simple present tenses. These things at the bar. Okay. Now you make it present perfect. You make it present continuous, and you make it present perfect continuous for the sentence. Cool. Things at the bar. Right now, this is present. Now you will make it present perfect. Then you will make present continuous. Then you will make present perfect continuous. And maybe I didn't give it wrong. That's very confused, right? So first one is correct. First is correct, mark correct. First, last. Start. Present. Okay, saving. Past. Guys, so let's look into this. These things at the bar. Present tense, right? Present perfect. Come on, write it. But that's correct. The right on the ball. She did it. This one, everyone knew it. Yes. Sorted. This one, he has been. Please be careful. You cannot use had for present perfect. Okay. This is common rule that I cannot use it. I may use it. Okay. Has and have separately also, but usually you will find whenever I'm writing present perfect continuous, because I have to add ing over there. Right. So it automatically becomes been. He has been singing. He has been singing. They have been singing. She has been singing. Right? She has, he has, they have, we have, you have, I have, she has, they, we, he. You change quickly, yeah. You say something else and immediately. Someone? Shreya. I have. Neha have. Shreya. This one, Neha. Okay. Shreya has. Naman, we, I. He is very slowly. Yeah. Clear? This one. Okay. He's thinking. He's doing something. He's thinking. Right? And sorted. All sorted? Clear? Please write down the corrections. Write down the corrections. You have already done it, right? Okay. Present is sorted, everyone. No doubts. No mistakes. Naman, you need more practice? Yes? Say it's okay. You need more practice. But I'll do that in an exercise. Okay? First, will do something new. So they can also do something. And then I'll give you this. Sounds good. Okay. Okay, now we can convert it fast. Okay, now we are doing something in past tense. I know something which has already been done. We already know that thing, something has happened in the past, all that stuff. Right? I am trying to identify something which is estimated, something had happened, no matter what. Okay, very, and something which is very negative, and something which is very interrogative. Then you are asking something. Oh, they did like this. Okay, so this kind of thing we are doing it. So you can see over here, affirmative. Okay, tell me. I'll play that same thing with you guys. I, you, she, he, he. What is left? They. Okay. Here, affirmative, I'm saying I have to make it for play. A past tense for play. Okay, what's the past tense for play? One share. Play. P-L-A-Y. Play. So please write down over here quickly. Yeah. If you use your common sense, you can write it at once. Yeah. Oh, when you play. This, guys, be little negative in your approach, be little interrogative in your approach. Okay. See the common sense. What needs to be there? If you use your common sense, everything is same for this. One word suits everyone. But use your brain. Negative done. Okay, you have to take this thing as a negative thing for which will match with these words. Means things like, for example, play. I'm not telling you the answer. Okay. Uh, did not sing. Okay, so I'm not saying did not is right. It's a way to write. Okay, so just give you a hint. So you have to use it with play. And interrogative is like, oh, they play. Like this question mark. Interrogative means question mark. Unanswered. Yes, very good. Interrogative means just a sentence, just a contribution. Yes. All sorted, guys? Okay, can we move further? Okay, don't look at the screen. Guys, don't look at the screen now. Okay, I'm just giving you some Naman, are you done? If you look at the screen. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to identify which one is affirmative, which had happened no matter what. Affirmative is that okay, right? No matter what, something had happened. Negative, I'm being negative in my approach. Okay. Interrogative, I'm very questioning in my approach. Interrogative means all are marked questions. That's interrogative. Simple. So tell me, Aditi was playing. Affirmative, which one? You think so? What do you think? What do you think? Okay. You know, Naman is getting influenced with answers. Naman? So let's do one thing. Let's not say the answer. Don't write the questions in your notebook. Okay? Just write down the answer. And don't write the full words. Just write A, I, or N. Okay? And write down number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6. 1A, 1C, whatever. Negative. Oh, it is a question. That's right. Okay. This one doesn't have a question. That's why it's A. You remember this. Okay. So if it has a question mark, then it is interrogative. Triple A, I, A, N. Good. Interrogative just because it has question mark. Should I okay? Okay. Let's move further. The next one. You want 5 minutes break? You have 5 minutes break. I don't know. You guys have 5 minutes break in your lecture? You don't have it? I thought you have. 4:15 we started now. So 6:20 is the lecture. 6:20. So I thought you have 5 minutes break. No? I think you have. You have. 5:15, 5:20 to 6:20. Okay, it's 6. Okay, it's 5:22 right now. We're a little ahead. So 5:27 exactly. We'll start again. We'll resume. Sounds good? 5:27. 5 minutes break we have. Okay. So you have water, stretch, and then we'll start again. Okay.